Good morning, students. As it is informed you that in the last week of that month, August month, we are going to take some exams to see how much you had studied, how much we had taught you. For seeing that, we are taking some class test that is compulsory for all. Each and every student has to give that exam. It is very easy, simplest form. We will send you some questions and you have to answer that questions. Okay, so you will get the timetable afterwards. From today onwards we are going to start the revision work, what all the studies we had already done. I hope you all had purchased the book and completed all the notes what it is told by me. So from today we will do the revision work. Up till exam we will do the revision of what we had studied. So the portion of your GK exam is lesson number 1, lesson number 2 and lesson number 3. I will send you the PDF, some questions I will send you so that it is easy for you to study which type of questions you will get in your exam. But you have to study the full thing what it is given in your book. Only as a revision, I will revise all the topics what are things I had explained you, so it is easy for you to study, to remember all the things what we had studied earlier. So I hope you had written your portion, lesson number 1, lesson number 2 and lesson number 3. You have to study nicely for your exam. So you can see here in the image lesson number 1, that is the first lesson, our earth. In that I had told you about the continents and about the oceans, continents and oceans, and related to that lesson some questions are there. Once again I am reading for you that questions. I hope you all had written this all everything in your book. So once again I am reading it for you. Try to complete all the book portions and revise all the things what you had already done, so it will help you to give your exam nicely. So you can see here the question. Next to each country, write down the name of the continent in which it is located. So here you can see some countries' name are given to you and you have to tell in which continents it is located, near which continent it is located. So you can see first one is Bulgaria. First one is Bulgaria, which is near the Europe, which is situated in the continent in Europe, near the continent Europe. Then Cambodia, Asia, Greece, Europe, Iran, Asia, Singapore, Asia. If you had written in your book, try to read it with me. As I am reading, try to read with me, so you will get practice also for studying. So from where we are in Singapore. Singapore, Asia, Zaire, Africa, Italy, Europe, New Zealand, Australia, Nicaragua, North America, Tanzania, Africa, Denmark, Europe, Lebanon, Asia, Yemen, Asia, this Austria, Europe, Israel, Asia. These all are the countries which are near the continent it is located. So next is child, that is South America, Egypt, Africa, Pakistan, Asia, Tunisia, Africa, Kuwait, Asia, Finland, Europe, Uganda, Africa, Venezuela, South America, Yugoslavia, Europe, Peru, South America, Saudi Arabia, Asia, Bahrain, Asia, Vietnam, Asia. So you got it. What all the state, what all the country and the continent's name. Next is Brunei, Asia, Ireland, Europe. Okay, so you have to revise all this country name with the continents. Next we will see, write the following in the proper column. Here your some continent's name is given and you have to write down the country's name. Okay, so in Asia, what all countries are coming in Asia? Japan, Turkey, China, Cambodia, Myanmar. It all comes under Asia. Next is Africa, Morocco, Sudan, Tunisia, Algeria, Kenya. These all comes under Africa. Next is Europe, Portugal, Spain, Norway, Germany, Belgium. These all comes under Europe. That is the second question. Next you can see some countries and their currencies. I had already explained you about the currencies. The different countries, different currencies are there. So you can see here, read it with me, try to read with me what all the countries are there and what are their currencies. So first one is, you can see Japan. First country is Japan and the currency of Japan is yen. Currency of Japan is yen. Britain, pound. Iran, real. Denmark, krone. Mexico, new peso. Kuwait, Kuwait dinar. Russia, ruble. India, rupee. Peru, new sol. France, franc. Bulgaria, leaf. Italy, lira. Bangladesh, taka. Germany, Deutschmark. USA, dollar. Spain, peseta. China, yuan. Greece, drachma. Netherlands, guilder. Myanmar, kyat. So these all are the countries and their currencies. Next is, you have to cross the wrong alternative in each. As you had seen about the different countries currency. So related to this question, some alternatives are given here. You have to, what you have to do? You have to cross it. Pakistan uses dollar or rupee. So Pakistan uses rupee. Okay, you study nicely that Pakistan uses rupee. It not uses dollar. Next is, Egypt currency is called dinar and pound. So Egypt currency is called pound. So you have to cross the dinar. Next is, peso is the currency of Chile, not Canada. Not Canada. That's why I had take here, means you have to cross the Canada. Iraq's currency is dinar. Dollar is the currency of USA, Philippines. So dollar is the currency of USA. So you have to cross the Philippines. Okay. Next you can see the next question. Write each city and town in the country's column. You can see here some countries column is given here. You have to write down the cities. Okay, cities name you have to write down. So first is Japan. In Japan comes different states like Osaka, Tokyo, Yokohama, Hiroshima. These all states come under Japan. Next is Australia. Darwin, Sydney, Canberra, Melbourne. These all comes under Australia. Next is France. That's Paris, Calais, Monaco and Marseilles. These all comes under France. Next is Germany. Berlin, Hamburg, Bonn, Frankfurt. This all comes under Germany. Next is USA. California, Colorado, Michigan, Kansas. This all comes under USA. Next is Canada. Quebec, Ottawa, Columbia, Ontario. These all states come under Canada. So these all are the topics of lesson number 1. In the next class again I will come and I will do the revision of lesson number 2 and lesson number 3. So if you are having time, please do all the revisions of all the subjects. What all subjects you all had already done. Try to revise all the topics given by the teacher. I hope you all will do better. Give your exam properly, take it seriously and do the exam and do the revision. I hope you all will do the best. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.